Hi student, in the previous video we have discussed about unit. What is CCS unit, what is SI unit, all this. So today in this video I am going to discuss about conversion of unit. So how can we convert a value from one system of unit to another system of unit? And for that first we have to understand this thing. Multiple and submultiples of unit. So here some prefix are there. Deci. Prefix means we use this term in front of a unit. For example, see here, millimeter. In this example, milli is a prefix. So this milli is came from here. Milli submultiple thousand. Okay. So this prefix we have to remember. Deci submultiple 1 by 10, centi submultiple 1 by 100. So all these things we have to memorize. And these are some commonly is unit. Length, for length we use this unit millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay. So some relations are given. The relation between millimeter and centimeter is 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. Similarly, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So this relation given in this list you have to memorize. Then we can convert one unit. We can convert a value from one unit to another very easily. So, and to convert these two things you remember. Always remember, if we need to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, then we have to divide the value, and if we convert a value from bigger unit to smaller unit, then we have to multiply the value. So smaller and bigger unit means here millimeter is a smaller unit than centimeter. Okay. Again here gram is a smaller unit in comparison to kilogram. So that's I mean by smaller and bigger unit. So let's take an example. Convert 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram. This can also be written as 5 kg. Okay. This kg means kilogram. This K came from kilo and G for gram. 5 kilogram into gram. Okay. So here value is 5 kilogram and we need to convert it into gram. So kilogram is a bigger unit and gram is a smaller unit. So when you convert a value from bigger to smaller unit, then we have to multiply the value. So with which we multiply? Then see the relation. What is the relation between kilogram and gram? Here 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. The relation between kilogram and gram is given by 1000. This one. So 5 kg is equals to this value 5. We have to multiply it by 1000. So then it will convert into gram, or we can write simply G. So 5000 gram. So 5 kg equals to 5000 gram. So in this way a value can be converted from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. Let's take the opposite example. Convert 6000 gram into kilogram. Okay. So here we need to convert the value from gram to kilogram, smaller unit to bigger unit. So if we need to convert smaller to bigger unit, we have to divide the value. So 6000 gram equals to, we have to divide it. So 6000 divided by which it will be divided 1000, because relation between gram and kilogram is given by 1000. So these zeros are cancelled. So 6 kg. So in this way we can convert. take another example. Convert 1000 centimeter, or centimeter also can be written as cm. Okay, c for centi, m for meter. Centimeter into meter. Meter can be simply written as m. Okay. So 1000 centimeter, 1000 cm. Now see the relation between centimeter and meter. This one, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Okay. So centimeter is a smaller unit and meter is a bigger unit. And to convert a value from smaller to bigger unit, we have to divide. So with which it will be divided? 100, because 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So 1000 divided by 100, then it will convert into meter. Okay. So these 2 0 cancel, answer will be 10 meter. Okay. So next, convert 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. Kilometer can be written as km into centimeter. Okay. We have to convert 2 kilometer into centimeter. So kilometer obviously a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. To convert a value from bigger to smaller unit, we have to multiply. So see, 2 kilometer equals to, see here there is no direct relation between kilometer and centimeter. In between kilometer and centimeter, first in between the meter will come. So first what we will do, we will convert kilometer into meter, and after that this meter will be converted into centimeter. Okay, first while we will convert kilometer into meter, we have to multiply it by 1000. Okay, because 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So it will be 2000 meter. Then this meter will convert into centimeter. Okay, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So again this 2000 will be multiplied by 100, then it will convert into centimeter. So 50. So 2 lakh centimeter will be the answer. So in this way we can convert a value from a system of unit to another system of unit. Okay.